Binigyan diin ng bagong nanumpang Secretary of State na prioridad ng kanyang foreign policy agenda ang interes ng Estados Unidos. Leslie Gumarang po para sa karagdagang detalye.
Humarap si Secretary of State Marco Rubio sa state employees noong Martes. Doon, sinabi nitong una ang bansa sa kanyang foreign policy agenda at nais nitong pumagitna ang kanyang departamento sa bagong gobyerno.
We want to be at the centerpiece, we want to be at the core of how we formulate foreign policy because we're going to have the best ideas of any agency and because we're going to execute it better and faster and more effectively than any other agency in our government. And I know we have the right team to do it. There's no other agency in the world, there's no other agency in our government that I'd rather lead because of the talent that's collected here in this room and those watching around the world. That will be our mission, and I hope we'll be able to do it together. There will be changes, but the changes are not meant to be destructive. They're not meant to be punitive. They're not out of... The changes will be because we need to be a 21st century agency that can move by a cliche that's used by many at the speed of relevance. But we need to move faster than we ever have because the world is changing faster than we ever have. And we have to have a view that some say it's called look around the corner, but we really need to be thinking about where are we going to be in 5, 7, 10, or 15 years.
Ayon kay Rubio, pag-asa niya na pangunahan ng departamento ng may pagkakaiba at integridad. Anya, magtatrabaho siya ng higit kanino man na humawak ng pwestong ito. Una si Rubio ang nanumpa sa gabinete ni Pangulong Donald Trump. Ang dating senador ay kritiko ng China at matinding taga-suporta ng Israel. Ang 53-year-old na si Rubio ay isang Republican na matagal na naging miyembro ng Senate Foreign Relations at Intelligence Committees. Anak siya ng immigrants mula sa Cuba. Leslie Gumarang para sa Mata ng Agila International, Trusted, Connected, On Point.